Welcome back. In this video tutorial, we are going to see how to download building footprints datasets. So type in open buildings. Now hit search. You can see the first result, open buildings Google research. Click on this link. So I'll be sharing the link in the description. Please do check it out. Open buildings, datasets of buildings footprints to support social good and applications. So you can have an overview of this project. Data description. You can see that the datasets contains around 1.8 million buildings detections across 58 million square kilometers covering Africa, Southeast Asia, Latin America and the Caribbean. So now go to the top and you can find download here. Click on download here. So basically this building footprint data is being given in CSV file format. I'll be showing you how to convert that in QGIS. In order to download this building footprint data, scroll down, you can find. So you can clearly see these grids. So the region falling within these grids have the datasets. Full building footprint datasets is available. So now let us select any of this grid. You can use Ctrl plus scroll to zoom in. So I'm going to choose this region for download. You can see here this is around 982 MB. So click on over here. The download will be started. Now you can see here the data has been started to download. Let us wait for a few minutes. Meanwhile, let me open my QGIS software. So the download has been completed. So let us view it in the file manager. So let us quickly extract the file. So you can see here this is available in a CSV file format. Let us open it in QGIS and convert to building file. So go to the options, layer, add layer. Here select add delimited text layer. So now let us use this button to browse on our data. So this is the CSV file which we have extracted. Open it. So you could just check the file format in CSV file format. In the geometric description, select well-known text, and here in geometry field should be geometry, and geometry type will be polygon. Okay, now it is done. Let us click on add and wait for the result. So this might be taking 15 to 20 minutes based on your system or your laptop hardware capacity. And if you're working with a larger data, it might take some time. So please do wait patiently for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we have successfully converted into a polygon. Let us close it and you can have a view of it. The next step will be exporting it as a shapefile. So select the data, export, save feature as. The top, select ESRI shapefile. Now use this option to browse and save it to a particular location. Save, click OK. Now we are exporting it as a shapefile. This will take another 5 minutes. As you can see the progress down below over here. So now the conversion step has been completed. Let me remove the CSV file and use the zoom button. Now you could see the building blocks much more clearly. If you want, you can clip it to your area of interest. Let me turn in my base map. So let me put some other base map so that now you could see the buildings clearly. So like this you can download and use the building datasets. It's available for freely. If you have any other doubts on this, please do ask in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Please do subscribe. Goodbye everyone.